Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a review video on what's called the GoDonut. So this is a phone and tablet holder. This has the swivel base on it. It also has the lock on the base as well. So let's check out the video, let's get into it. So this is just one of those really simple products where if you've ever been in the middle of something or doing something and you have had that call come in, whether it's a video call or a conference call, try to set your phone down so that you can talk and go back to whatever it is you're doing, and you lean your phone up against something and sure enough it falls down or falls over or falls off on the floor, this is the product for you. Alright, time to unpackage the GoDonut. So this one has the swivel base and the universal stand. Let's get this done. Here we go. There is the GoDonut. There's the instructions. Very straightforward. 360 rotation on this. That's everything in the package. Alright, so just a real quick look at the instructions. Very clear and concise. Very straightforward. This does come available. It's in 9 different colors. So a quick look at the GoDonut here. So this comes with its own little stopper. So right now it does not rotate. So you can pull the stopper off. If you look at it, it's got this little half circle stopper right there. So now that the stopper's off, put your tablet or phone in there and it rotates. It's got some bearings in there. You can rotate it. Take the stopper, put the stopper in. Keeps it from rotating. Alright, so if you want to travel with this, it is very portable, and weight-wise, the GoDonut, you're looking at 5.5 ounces. Size-wise, we are talking 4 inches across, and height, we're looking at 1.75 inches height. Alright, so real quick, the way the GoDonut works is very simple. You've got 2 slots on the side here. One has a pretty steep angle on it right here. One has a lesser angle on it right there. And we've all been there where you've been doing something in the kitchen or you're working on something outside and you're trying to find something to lean your phone up against. You're trying to watch, say, a YouTube video to figure out how to do something, or someone calls or someone's trying to FaceTime you, and sure enough there's nothing to lean your phone up against. And this solves that problem. You can put your phone in there, you can watch it, see what's going on, do 2 things at once, or say you're playing board games at the dinner table or whatever with your family or your friends. You're doing something on your phone, you're watching that cool video and you're like, hey, check this out, spin it around, your friends can see it right there, what's going on, spin it back over. It solves all sorts of problems like that. You can also put your phone in here like this. I've got the case on, it fits with your phone case on. That's a steeper angle. Flip it over here. You've got the more shallow angle like that. And like that. Alright, so we just tried it with an iPhone 8. Let's try it with this is an older iPhone. This is like an iPhone 5 with a case. That fits just fine. Okay, we've got like a Kindle in a case. But hey, why not, right? So yeah, there's a Kindle. Here's an iPad. Okay, yeah, so there's an iPad in a case. That does work. Okay, let's try the Samsung Galaxy here. Definitely by far the thickest case we've got. Oh, look at that. Samsung Galaxy actually is going to work. So yep, all these devices actually worked. Alright, one other thing worth a mention with the GoDonut is it does separate here. You can pull this top off if you really wanted to and use it without the base, so there is that. Alright, price wise, the GoDonut is running for $34.99 right now on Amazon, and there is a link in the description. Alright, take just a moment to please hit that like and subscribe button, it really helps me out. Okay, time to go over the 4 strong points of the GoDonut right now. Strong point number 1, this is simple yet durable. Strong point number 2, it fits most phones, most tablets, and even the Kindle that I tried out, so it's very universal, with the cases on. Strong point number 3, made in the USA. Gotta love it. Strong point number 4, this thing is portable. Alright, let's go over the 2 drawbacks I could find with the GoDonut. Drawback number 1, the price, like $34. Like, yeah, it's durable, really cool, and like it's really convenient, but damn, $34? It's not even gold plated. Drawback number 2. Now, I didn't have a problem with, I found every device I could find in my entire house. It fit everything I had, but I read through all the reviews, everywhere I could find a review, I read through the review. Apparently there are a few devices out there in the world somewhere that this doesn't fit. So overall, the GoDonut is awesome. It's one of those things that I'm like, you know, if I'd known about this earlier, I would have bought this like years ago. The other thing about this, I don't know about you guys, but there are so many friends and family members where every Christmas or every birthday, I'm like, you know, what can I get this person? I have no idea what to get a lot of people. This would make a great freaking gift for so many people. I know, it's a little bit pricey. Some people aren't worth $34.99. This is still a really good gift though. So honestly, just because of the versatility, how strong the thing is, how cool the thing is, and just being able, you know, sitting there playing game night or whatever, put your phone timer on, flip it around, show people what's going on, you're watching that cool video, hey, you know, check this out. I really love it. So for the versatility, for the strength, all of that, I give this thing 2 thumbs up. I love it. It's worth the price. Okay, so as always, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this video is really helpful. Please be sure and like and subscribe and check out these other videos. I'll catch you later.